I have an appeal to make to you that will change your life. But first of all, let me lay the groundwork. Look at this, right? People are spotting UFO drones over New Jersey for the past 2 days now, about 8 to 10 of them over their skies. And some people were shooting at it. There's a video I saw, and then one of them crashed. Yeah, one of them crashed yesterday night. Okay, and there are videos of it. But the police is preventing the public from getting close to the crash site. At least one or two have crashed. People have been shooting. But then one guy used his drone to fly to the one of the drones. Three of them, they were close by. So one guy used his own personal private drone to fly to go towards them. And he said that when his drone got close, it's like that other drone released an EMP, okay, electromagnetic pulse that just disabled his own drone. His own drone fell out of the sky straight. So his own drone. He retrieved his own drone. Before he knew it, police was at his doorstep. Why? Because he posted it online. He posted that he doesn't know what's happening. These drones crashed his own. And these things are not normal size drones. They say that they are the size of vehicles, and they are showing light. So police was at his doorstep. His friend that was reporting said that the guy, he doesn't even know where the guy is again. Since police came to the guy, they confiscated his drone, and the guy is nowhere. He's no longer posting again and stuff. So the reason I'm making this video is for you guys, right? If something suddenly happens where you are, it's okay to capture it, right? But be careful to post it. You don't post it. Before you post anything, think about it. Some things you post will take your life. For instance, there was this guy in 2022 in Canada. He was traveling on the road, all right, and he saw something that looks like a giant on top of the mountain. So he put it online and posted it on his TikTok, all right, and said that this thing looks like a giant. So people now started telling him to go back and confirm what it is. The next day he went back there and tried to zoom as much as possible. And then at the end, he went home. He now posted another video that people have started tracking him on people in on dark black unmarked vehicles are parking around his compound, monitoring his house, and a lot of things. He said he was afraid. Before you know it, this guy disappeared, died suddenly from nowhere. Random young guy living alone just died from posting that there were giants on a mountain, and within a short period, he was mysteriously dead. You know, and his Instagram. I just went to his TikTok today, and he's dead since 2022. He has not posted again. The guy is dead for real. Now another one happened in Southeast Asia. Okay, a young lady was participating in a protest at night, and soldiers came and opened fire on the protesters. A lot of people died. Nobody knows how many died because it was at night, 100 to 200. Nobody knows. And she was live streaming it. But then when morning came, the government in Southeast Asia came out and said that the thing never happened. There was no shooting, nothing. And people were asking, like, if you're saying there was no shooting, what of the one that this lady live streamed that all of us watched? The government now said, okay, the lady has to come and prove it. The lady knew what was about to happen because now it's being denied by their government over there. If she shows up, she might be eliminated to cover up everything. So she ran away. And that's how she exiled herself from the country. Till today, she's not coming back to the country again, which means an end to her career, end to everything. She has to restart life afresh in another country under asylum. So think about it, right? Assuming that night she videoed it but did not live stream, assuming she just videoed, right? And decided to post it a bit later, maybe on a different handle, on an anonymous handle, maybe she would have been safe. So a lot of these things happen. You might be somewhere by chance. Something happens in front of you and you video it. We see it in videos all the time, all these movies, right? Somebody videos something, all of a sudden the whole video is about the guy that videoed that thing because they try to take that phone from the person. And you see that you're not really important. They can just eliminate you as easy as possible. So if something is happening where you are, there's an accident, there's a government program, there's something shooting, whatever, record it, right? For your own safety. Record it first, but be careful not to post it. Think twice before you post. Make sure it is safe for you to post. You understand? Whether it's a safe time or to post from your device. Be very, very careful how you post it. Some videos you have to drop it in a public channel so that other people will post it instead of you posting. Some videos you have to on your VPN before you post. Some videos you have to create new social media accounts before you post. Even all these things cannot. If your government wants to pick you up, they will still pick you up. So even when you think you're anonymous with VPN, if they want to catch you, they will catch you. But generally, you get what I'm saying, right? Be careful before you post videos. Many people have gone because of it. If your government is after you, it's only God that can save you, right? Because nothing else can work for you. If they arrest you, I usually ask people this question: if your government arrests you today and say that you are found with 12,000 child pictures in your computer, how can you deny it? You can't, because you're in prison. Because you'll be in jail. You can't address anybody. The only news that will come out is the one that they gave the media. They'll come out and say you are found with 30 dead bodies and this, that. Everybody will suddenly believe it's true, because what? You are not there to defend yourself. This is real life. Be careful what you post online. Be very, very careful what you post online. Even where the corruption is happening, you can be somewhere there is corruption happening. Even during elections, there's rigging going on. You don't just rush to post it. Record it first and think twice before you post it. Now, that being said, if you need a hair cream, a head oil that will grow your hair, look at me. I used to be bald, totally bald. I didn't have hair here, all of this place. Hair used to be smooth like this place. The whole of this hair, I didn't have it. My hair was like this before, like a professor. But I've grown my hair back seriously in the past 1 year. All right. So if you're suffering from baldness, it's reversible. Reach out to me. I'll give you the list of ingredients I mixed and oils I mixed. If you're within Nigeria, I can connect you to. So this I can connect you to sellers. They are online sellers that they will just package everything and send to you. You just mix it in a bowl, leave it for 3 days, sieve out the oil. Is what you apply on your hair. It's that easy. Okay, it's better than all the ready-made stuff you've been applying. Has it been working? No, because it's far better. Just look at my hair. All right, the one you mixed yourself, you're 100% sure of the quantity of the things there. So reach out to me. Now there's this website, crypto is growing. Don't show up next year and say I did not tell you. All right, I'm telling you now. The best place you can have your money now is not in landed assets, it's not in houses, it's not in what else, bank. It's in crypto. Crypto is growing. All right. Now, but the thing with crypto is if you're not careful, you will lose your money there. You just wake up and your money is gone. All right. Avoid trading crypto. Avoid trading forex. I know crypto and forex traders will come for me, but that's the truth. You need expertise to do these things. But there's this platform called Investor Path. What it has done is it has removed all that stress from you. You log in, you buy a list of cryptos that will perform well. Look at this. These are cryptos that will perform well. And these are predictions of how they will perform based on a lot of metrics that has been considered: their past performance, the company's strength, and so on. A lot of things about have been put into place and predictions have been made. So this platform is saying that if you invest in this particular crypto that is covered in 1 month, it is estimated plus or minus that you would have made this amount. Your money would have doubled by 2.5 times. In 3 months, 3.5, 3 times, all right? 2.9 times over the whole year. And crypto goes up and down, but the general prediction is this, that. So this website is only listing cryptos that are 100% sure to perform well, not all those. Now, this website also has some cryptos that can go 1,000 times overnight, up or down. You can put your money and you wake up, your money is now zero. You can also put your money and you wake up, your money is multiplied millions. So when there is such a crypto, the website will mark it and tell you that this one is high risk. So if you're now investing, you invest with small money. So let's say you have 10 million naira. The ones that are short banker, you invest up to 7 million. All right, 8 million. You now take out 1 or 2 million to invest in the ones that can go up or down. All right. If it goes up 100 times, that 1 million will be 100 million.